Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, are all the cupboards closed? They're closed. MyKuali Penang White Curry 2019 new recipe. Yeah. If you know what this is, you know this is a good thing. A very good thing. This is a legendary instant noodle. If you don't know what this is, you're about to see a miracle. Because it's pretty amazing. So let's put all the principles out. Comes with 3 sachets and a noodle block. Noodle block's gonna go for 3 minutes. So, I want to do 39. So you got 3 sachets in this sucker. You got your non-dairy creamer, your seasoning powder, which is basically your soup base, and then this. This is a big, heavy chunk of paste right there. This is one, excuse me, you really need this one. At least maybe put it in your pocket, sit on it, pretend it's an egg, get it nice and goopy, get it warm at least. It makes life a lot easier when you gotta squish it out. And the noodles are a-cooking. How's your day, everybody everywhere? Mine's going pretty darn well. I had an interesting phone call. Got some information I needed, so that's a plus. I took Mimi on a little walk today. Had a special phone call that I had to do up. So we didn't go on a super long walk. But long enough. I've got 10 miles in on the morning and it's just about 11 a.m. So good to go. And today is my daughter Miriam's 3rd birthday. So this is the best day ever. It's just like if it's Miles' birthday, it's the best day ever. So one of the bonuses of having one of these weird ceramic counters or cooktops is I can get the sachet nice and close to the burner and get it warm. Getting these things warm helps a lot with getting them nice and loose. No. Okay. I took her, let's see, we went on our walk on the Burt Gilman Trail, then we got off, went down, hit Safeway, got her free cookie. And then I got something for this review. I'll tell you what that is in a minute. And then we went to this place called Diva Espresso, and I got her a kid size. I asked for a hot chocolate, like a not so hot chocolate, which they did perfectly with whipped cream, with sprinkles. I got a nice slab of banana bread that had like freaking cinnamon and sugar on the edges, and it was just slightly crisp, and it's like heavy and moist banana walnut. Oh man, she wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. I'm like, really? Okay. We gotta work on that. He was like, don't like it. Mimi don't like it. Well, I'm sad that you don't like it. I like it, but that's not what I like yesterday and the day before. I ate a lot of cake. I honestly feel kind of sore from like the amount of sugar I've had. I swear to God. I'm like, I don't want any more sugar. She wouldn't eat the cake either. My kids won't eat cake. Or ice cream. Dentists ain't making any cash off of them, that's for sure. I got Miles to eat chocolate, like Hershey bar, once. He was like really into it. That was it. So you take this paste sachet and you dump it on in. And like I said, it's thick. A lot to get it out. But that's pretty good. Here, let's make it so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. So there's the paste. There's the soup base. And here comes the creamer. You're like, whoa, what am I looking at here? What's going on? You are looking at the 3 ingredients that make Penang white curry. And this is about to turn into insanity. You really got to stir this in, because honestly, if you get a mouthful of this paste, wow, you're gonna remember. Oh baby, yeah. So this is the new recipe version. Alright. Oop. There you go. So let's give these a try. This is a new recipe. I want to say like the 5th or 6th recipe in maybe even more than that in the 6 years that it's been in existence. I can't believe it's been around for 6 years already. It came out in 2013. Cheers. Mmm. Wow. Zam, zam, zim, zam, zam. Wow. Wow. That's got a meaner kick than I remember. And it's got a sweetness now that I didn't seem to notice before. Wow. Look at that. That is the wonder. super thick. Super oily. That is what I'm in this for. This is 5 stars. No question. No problem. This is like something that I consider to be irresistible. There have been recipe changes that I haven't liked. This one, I love. Now we're gonna pimp it out. First things first, we need mung bean sprouts. And I'm gonna take a grip of them and just drop them in and stir them up. One thing that this stuff will do is definitely make them look happy. And happy looking mung bean sprouts are my favorite thing in the world. Wow. My mouth's burning and it's just like so rich and so much crazy flavor going on, man. If you like curry, this probably is going to blow your mind and be like, wow, I've never had curry like that. But if you really like curry, you need to try this. These are fish balls. Singaporean fish balls by Dodo. Good stuff. This is baked tofu. Store-bought baked tofu. I'm actually gonna put these over here. Shuffle everybody towards the center. And I need a napkin. I think I might need multiple napkins by the time this is done. Okay, let me get a top down look at that. A little bit of sesame seed. Call me crazy, but a pinch of chili flake. And to crown it, what you really need is some of this. This is mint. Are you even able to see this? Yeah, you are. Cool. used to have been growing, but I mean, it's winter now. Well, not yet. It's close. But it's such an apt pairing. Oh man. Fresh mint works so well with white curry that it's not even funny. It's all about setting it all nice and pretty. You get a nice contrast too. From the absolutely glistening magical pearl of Asian cuisine, Penang, white curry. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.